Hello, fourth grade. What is up? Okay, so surprise, these are going to be the last two little mini lessons we do today. And your chapter 11 test is actually going to be tomorrow. This chapter has been super short, so short, we didn't even get to have a mid chapter for it. So we are finishing up these lessons today, and you will have your chapter 11 test tomorrow. So make sure that you are going back through any of these lessons that don't make sense before then. All right, so the first lesson we're going to talk about today is 11.4, and we are going to be looking at joining and separating angles. So when we hear the word join, we know that that means that we are going to be adding, right? So we've got this angle here, angle PQT, and it is divided up into two separate angles. This angle measures 43 degrees, and this one measures 37. Well, what they want to know is they want to know together, what do those two angles equal? So what we're going to do is we're going to add together both angles. So 43 degrees plus 37 degrees. And we're going to see what the total of those two smaller angles combines to equal. 3 plus 7 is 10. Very good. So 0, carry our 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Very good. Plus 3 more is 8. Great job. So the total measurement for angle PQT would be 80 degrees. Great job. All righty. Let's go ahead and look at the next one. Okay, so we've got angle SHR, and this angle is broken up into 3 smaller angles. Now, same thing. All we're going to do is we are going to combine these 3 angles to see what that total angle measurement would be. So we're going to take 45 degrees plus 78 degrees plus 27 degrees. To see what our total measurement for angle SHR is. So if we take those up and add them all together, 45 plus 78 plus 27, 5 plus 8 is 13. Very good. 13 plus 7 is 20. Awesome. So 0 is going to go here. 2 is going to go up. 2 plus 4 is 6. Very good. 6 plus 7 is 13, and 13 plus 2 is 15. Very good. 14, 15. So the total measurement for angle SHR is 150 degrees. Very good. All righty. So this one's pretty straightforward. We're just joining those angles together. Now, when we move on to the next lesson, which is 11.5, we're looking at the unknown angles, which means that we're going to have to find these angle measurements that they did not give us. So if we look here in this shape, we've got that the entire angle measurement is 115 degrees, but they want to know what this angle measurement is here. Okay, well, we only have the 115 degrees. How are we going to figure out what this is when we only have one angle measurement? Well, look here in the shape. What do you notice? Very good. That little square corner right there. That square corner is what kind of angle? Very good. A right angle. And we know that right angles have a degree measurement of what? Very good. 90 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the total angle measurement that we know of 115 degrees, and we are going to subtract the right angle that we also know the measurement for, because every right angle is 90 degrees. And that will give us this missing angle right here that they're looking for. So when I take 115 degrees and I subtract 90, 5 minus 0 is 5. Very good. 1 minus 9 cannot do, so we're going to borrow. 1 becomes a 0. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Very good. So that missing angle is 25 degrees. So I would say X, the measure of angle X, equals 25 degrees. All right, let's look at this one. Okay, for number 2, we've got this funky looking shape, and we've got that this angle here equals 130 degrees. Okay, and then if you look here, this shows that that entire angle right there is 225 degrees. So between the two angles right here, this 130 on this side and this angle X over here, it's going to add up to 100 or 225 degrees. So what we need to do is figure out what angle X is. So what is the measure of angle X? How can we do that? Right, we're going to have to take the total that they gave us, 225 degrees, and subtract the angle measurement that they gave us of 130 degrees to find our angle X. So if I've got 225 minus the 130 they gave us, 5 minus 0 is 5. Very good. 2 minus 3, you're right, we cannot do that. So we're going to have to borrow 1. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. Very good. So the measurement of angle X is 95 degrees. Very good. So when you're looking at shapes like this where they give you one angle measurement and not the other, you need to also make sure that you're looking for the total that they gave you so you can find the difference. All right. And if you have anything like a right corner or a straight line, you know that right angles are 90 degrees and straight angles are 180. Very good. All right, 4th grade, that is it for today. Remember, tomorrow is your test, so make sure that you're going back through any of these lessons if you need more review before that test tomorrow. Have a great afternoon, a great Friday tomorrow, and an even better weekend, and I will see you back here on Monday.